All right, good morning, everybody. This is your Morning Jolt. I'm Jacob Sonnenschein.
And I'm Catherine Ross. All right, guys, as you know, Facebook announced earnings last night. Now, they beat on the EPS. It was a bit of a mixed bag, but what was really interesting was to watch what investors wanted to hear during the conference call. They really were looking for certain things that Mark Zuckerberg and Sheryl Sandberg were saying. Now, why I'm saying this is because during it, the stock went down and then up and then down and up again. Now, it ended up, and it's still up pre-market, so we'll have to see what investors are thinking throughout the rest of the day. One of the other things to talk about this morning is GM. GM announced earnings, beat on the EPS by quite a landslide, honestly.
Yes.
And it was up. It initially skyrocketed about 10%. It's settled down now. It's about 7% up. We'll see what the market's looking at once it opens. So that's what I got on my plate. What are you thinking?
Yeah, and here's a nugget. Those are two big stories, and the stock of the day today is Starbucks, so we're going to be on that all day today. I got a nugget. It's something people should look out for. I got a Goldman Sachs note saying that in the last week or so, there's been a net outflow of money from U.S. equity mutual funds, and what they said, and this totally makes sense, investors are starting to maybe bring down their equity allocation, so it could be a tip-off that Q4 earnings could not be so good. And I wrote about that in my newsletter, so that was interesting. And today we've got the stock of the day is Starbucks. Why is that?
Now, Starbucks announces earnings tomorrow. We'll have to see what they are looking at. I believe that we'll have live coverage of it. You will be covering it.
Yes, I will.
I know that it's one of your preferred covers.
Yes, absolutely. Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts, two really interesting companies. You can learn a little bit about Dunkin' Donuts when we cover Starbucks and vice versa. We got Starbucks earnings tomorrow.
Yeah, he's all about that coffee. Now, another person who's all about their coffee is Jim Cramer, and I will be talking to him live on the floor of the NYSE at 10 a.m. You can catch us on Facebook. It'll be worth your while. I mean, it's always interesting to talk to him about earnings, and I'm sure he's got a lot to say about Facebook and GM.
And tons of stuff jammed in my newsletter below, so take a look at it.